Hi guys, I'm the creator of Intercepter-NG, and today I'll describe the basic functionality of this tool. Not so long ago it was updated, and the current version looks more cool and has some nice features as well. Let's start our overview. You need an Android device starting from 4.4 and root permissions. The best choice is to use Magisk, but other managers can work too. Your current connections details are presented at the bottom of the screen. In the upper left corner, there is an icon for radar. By pressing it, you will start a network scan to detect all connected devices. It will show you IP and MAC addresses, the network name, and an approximate operation system. In case there are a lot of targets on the network, you can select them all by tapping the big check mark. At the right side of it, there is a handcuffs icon. It stands for IRP cage, the function to isolate any inner host from the gateway, so that you are able to block the internet connection. By making a long tap on the host, we can do some more actions. The first one is to set a custom alias. The second one is an X-scan, an advanced version of a common port scanner. It can print the banner of the port, different web headers, and detect whether the port is running SSL or not. In case of a Windows-based machine, it can read the exact version of the operation system and also check it for eternal blue vulnerability. If you are going to run a man-in-the-middle attack, select one or several targets and press the arrow. In this video, we are not going to attack anybody, so we press the double arrow to skip the scanning stage, and the main window of Interceptor will appear. The first tab is about ARP spoofing and data analysis. The second tab is a packet analyzer. The third collects cookies. The fourth is about more complex man-in-the-middle functions. And finally, the fifth is the application settings. Okay, it's time to act. Let's see what kind of information we can obtain by analyzing the pickup dump. This one was captured during the Russian semi-security semi-demo conference called Chaos Construction in 2007. As you can see, there were people chatting through IRC, ICQ and Jabber systems, and also a lot of authorizations of different types were intercepted. Now let's load that pickup dump into the packet analyzer, which looks similar to Wireshark. All cookies were loaded into the third tab. By default they are collapsed, but by clicking Show More button, we can see their content. By clicking on any cookie, we can load it to a web browser. The man-in-the-middle attacks is a topic for the next videos, so there is nothing to say about it right now. The settings. Most of the checkboxes are self-describing, that's why I'll focus only on the diagnostics button. In this mode, Interceptor checks the Linux state and the possibility of obtaining MAC addresses of your own network adapter and the gateway. You may face problems with Linux on Samsung devices. In that case, you have to install a custom ROM, for example Lineage OS. As for Generate TCP fingerprint, it is also topic for another video. Let's go back to the first tab. There are 3 more buttons I didn't describe yet. This one saves the text of the current window. The next one clears the text field of the window, and the one on Umbrella has functionality similar to IRP Watch. The official site of Intercepter-NG is sniff.su. It's actually just a web form of the content that resides at Github. Also, there is a thread on XDA. Next time I'll describe the process of making man-in-the-middle attacks with Intercepter-NG. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, tap the bell and the like button, write comments, ask questions, I'll be glad to answer. That's all for today, goodbye.